Here's how to use two WhatsApp in one mobile. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can use two WhatsApp in one mobile. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Once you go right over here, as you can see, just go to your search bar and type in WhatsApp. But once you type WhatsApp, just type in business in front of it. And here, as you can see, once you see this B WhatsApp logo, just press on it and then just download it if you don't have it. So once you download it, just go ahead and press on WhatsApp Business. And here, as you can see, it's totally just like WhatsApp. Just press on agree and continue. And here it's showing my number, but I really don't want to use this number. You can use your secondary or different number if you really want to use like two WhatsApp in one mobile. So you use a different number for yourself, just like here. Just put in your different number, and once you put in your different number, it's gonna be the same, and it's gonna do this. As you can see, it's showing connecting, and it's gonna show transferring. For me, it's showing transferring because I'm using the same SIM, but if you use the different number or secondary number, it's gonna show this. But yeah, just type in your name and then your business category. Just whatever your business category is, or just do whatever like other you would love to. Just press next after that, and then just put in your passcode. And then there you are. You have basically like you can use two WhatsApp in your one mobile. Just make sure that you use a secondary or different number, so you could use two WhatsApp in your one phone. So yeah, that's basically for this video. I hope you liked this video. Until then, peace.